What's going on, guys? Fox, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how to use the Blu-ray exploit. First things first, go ahead and download my pack and extract it. This only works for firmware 9.00 to 12.02. If you're wondering, should I update from, let's say, an older firmware to a newer firmware to use the Blu-ray disc exploit? No, stay where you are. Use that current firmware until we get a back port that's supported. So what you want to do is we're going to be using the auto jailbreak only. I'm not going to be covering the manual jailbreak. I'll do that in a later tutorial guide. First things first, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and install Image Burn. So I'll walk you through this. When you download and extract my pack, it's not going to have the extension on here. Don't worry about that. It's just going to show that file here. So what you want to do is you want to just type in .exe, then press change, then go ahead and install it. I'll walk you through it for the first time. Okay, after you do that, please bear with me, my capture card's having a bit of a problem today. So after you do that, you want to open up the auto jailbreak. You want to open up Image Burn. I had to remake this video. My capture card knocked out. So sorry about that. So open up Image Burn. So after you open up Image Burn for the first time, if you haven't used this software before, is you want to go ahead and you want to open up the auto jailbreak. Then you want to click on Properties. Then you want to go ahead and click on Change. Then you want to select Image Burn. If it's not at the top, you're going to have to go all the way to the bottom and look for it manually. So after you find your Image Burn, just go ahead and click on it once, press OK, press Apply, press OK. Then you can right click and you can press Burn with Image Burn. Make sure you have a blank Blu-ray disc in there. This will not work with CDs, this will not work with DVDs. It only works for Blu-rays. I'm not going to burn it because I already burned it already. So go ahead and put your blank disc inside the computer. You want to do AWS speed. When you burn it for the first time with a brand new unused Blu-ray disc, it's going to take about 40 to 45 minutes because it has to write zero sectors to the disc. After it does that, then it's going to automatically burn it. Then you'll hear a jingle, and you can go ahead and remove the disc. Sorry that I'm not really being thorough. It's very late, and I didn't realize the video is it deleted itself, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, now I'll meet you on the PS4. Okay, I'm doing this in real time. This is the first time I'm actually using this disc. I'm having a hard time with the Elgato capture card anytime I use a disc image for a movie, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to go ahead and press the X button. And this is going to boot us into the exploit. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I'm going to do this in real time. I'm not going to pause it or anything. It was running at the top for a second. Okay, it looks like it ran into an error. So that's okay. So just go ahead and repeat the process. This might work for you for the first time, but this is the first time I'm running this, so we'll see what happens. If it keeps doing this, I'm not going to bother keep recording this. I just want to show you what the end result looks like. Alright, so we got to keep trying this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something. You want to press the options button on your controller, and you want to press play from beginning. I'm going to give that a try and see if that actually fixes the problem. Still having a problem. I'm going to go ahead and restart the system. I restarted the system. Now I'm going to hit options and I'm going to press play from beginning. I don't want to reload any errors or whatever. Okay, I tried it about 10 times and no luck, and it's getting kind of late. I'm going to go ahead and try something else one more time, and if this doesn't work, then just got to keep on trying to do this. Okay, so here's the problem. I did this about 20-25 times to try to get this Blu-ray disc exploit to work. I reburned the image. I already downloaded the image. I can't burn it any slower, so I'm already burning it at 1x. It's not working. Here's the deal. I don't think it's compatible with version 9.0.0, even though it says it's compatible with 9.0.0. This might just be my PS4. Go ahead and try this. I'm not gonna not make the video for you guys, even though I can't get this to work. You run the exploit, a bunch of code's gonna come down. It's either gonna say it failed or it passed. I can't get past this. My friend has a PS4 on a higher firmware. I'm gonna borrow his PS4 and I'm gonna try to remake the video guide. But basically you just follow the video guide until that. I'm sorry that I couldn't get this to work. I believe it has something to do with the firmware. I also went into the Gold Hen settings from the USB flash drive, and I disabled the auto plugins, and I disabled the bootloader, where you can sorry, not the bootloader, the bin loader. I also disabled the bin loader just to try to do it like, you know, from like a legit state. Disabled all that stuff. Still not working. Still crashing. I don't know if you guys are gonna have this problem or not. I'm very curious to see if you're gonna run into this. I hope this video guide helped you out, and don't be discouraged if you're on firmware I'm on 9.0.0 and this is happening to you. Don't be discouraged. I would just use the USB thumb key. That works fine. I've only had it failed maybe 3 times out of 100. It's very, very reliable. This is still a work in progress. They probably still have to iron out the bugs and let it get out to the public, and they're going to grab people's feedback and everything. Like and subscribe to Foxden. I'll be getting that other PS4 very shortly. All my PS4s are in version, one's on 9, one's on 9, and one's on 6. So I don't plan on updating them. I'm just going to keep them on those low firmwares. So like and subscribe to the Foxden, and stay tuned for another jailbreak video guide as soon as I get another PS4 and a higher firmware, because I'm sure as heck not updating this. I'm staying on 9 and that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Have an awesome day.